Back class 7. As you are aware that your periodic test 1 is on 12th of July, that means your maths exam is on 12th of July. So that I am doing revision classes, and in first revision class I have shown you few questions, and today once again I am going to show you few more questions, so that especially the new student, those who have admitted late, they can revise their chapters nicely. So today I am going to revise chapter 2 and 3, that is fraction and decimals. So for fractions I am going to show you few questions which you can do. So first question I am going to take as, you can write these questions in your classwork copy itself and name it as revision class. Okay, and here 1A number I am writing a question that at first you need to try to solve by yourself. So just you also try to solve it, then you will match your answer from my solution. Then you can only understand that where you are making a mistake. It is 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3 and divided by here 1 by 3, then here minus 1 upon 4, and brackets are closed there. So beside that, here one thing is there is a bracket, that means it is called the bar bracket. This is called the bar bracket because you are placing a bar over there, so it is known as bar bracket. How to solve this question? Here you can see that many type of fractions are there. Beside that you are having off sign, then plus sign, then division sign, then minus sign, and beside that you are having a bar bracket, then you are having the first bracket, then you are having the second bracket. As I have told already that when you are doing any simplification work, and actually what you are going to do, you are going to simplify. You are going to simplify. Okay, so you are simplifying means you are solving, that means evaluating. Whether the term evaluate, simplify or find is written, you need to solve it, simplify it. At first you should keep always in your mind the rules of BODMAS. BODMAS is very important rule. Then you have to work sincerely and carefully, then you can solve it. So according to the rule of BODMAS, first of all we need to complete the work of this bar bracket. In the brackets, first of all we are working for the bar bracket. If bar bracket work is completed, then you need to work for the first bracket. If first bracket work is complete, then you can do the work of second bracket. If second bracket's work is over, then you can do the work of third bracket. Here I can see there is the bar bracket, so I am going to do the work of this bar bracket first. Okay, or bar bracket is also known as vinculum. Okay, so bar bracket or vinculum will be solved first. So here what we need to do, you need to just copy down. So copy down 4 upon 15, then write here off, then I will write this second bracket, then just copy down 1 by 5, then write here plus sign, then I can write this 2 by 3 also, and I will write this division sign also. Now 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, this work will be done first. 3 4 LCM will be 12, 3 4 ja 12, so 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 3 ja 12, and here it will be 3 itself, and here you have to put all the brackets until and unless the work is not finished. So in one time you should try to do only one work. Now it can be written as 4 upon 15 of, then you can take this second bracket and 1 upon 5, then plus here 2 by 3 and then division sign, and 4 minus 3 is coming 1 upon 12. Okay, if you have got a single number, that means that bracket will be vanished. That means the bar bracket work is over, and now you are having 1 upon 12 itself a single number, so no need to put there the bracket. Further I can write it 4 upon 15, then of, then this is the second bracket, I can write here 1 upon 5, then plus sign, and here in the first bracket 2 upon 3, and here it is division sign, it will be changed into multiplication sign. Then after writing multiplication sign, if division sign is changed into multiplication sign, then you need to write the reciprocal of the next fraction. So what will be the reciprocal of 1 upon 12? You know it will be 12 upon 1. Okay, that means in the reciprocal what happens? Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So here now you need to close it with the two brackets. Now you can cancel 3 4 ja 12. Further you need to copy down 4 upon 15, then you need to write off, you need to write the second bracket, then 1 upon 5, then plus, and here 2 4 ja 8. What number you are getting? Only 8, because there is 1 into 1 1, 8 by 1 means 8 itself. So you can write here 8 upon 1, no problem, and if you are having a single number, then the bracket automatically removes. Now you are having 4 upon 15, then you are having off, and further you have to work for this 5 and 1, LCM will be 5. 5 divided by 5, one time 1 into 1 is giving you 1, plus 1 divided by 5 times, and 8 5 ja 40. So here you are having 40 now. 4 upon 15 upon 40. Further you can write it like this, it will be 4 upon 15 and of here 41 upon 5, 41 upon 5. Here you can see 40 plus 1 becomes 41 upon 5, and of means you know it is the sign of multiplication. Of is telling you about the sign of multiplication. So of sign can be replaced by the sign of multiplication. Instead of you can write here multiplication sign. Now if you can cancel the number, you can cancel. For cancellation you can check numerator to denominator, or in the cross way you can cancel. So here I can see no number can be cancelled, you cannot cancel the number. So you need to multiply 4 into 41, that will give you 164. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, it is giving you 164, and 15 5 ja 75. 15 5 ja 75. Now as you can see the fraction is improper, so you need to change it into mixed fraction. So when you will change it into mixed fraction, it will be 2 whole and 14 upon 75. Like that you can simplify the question which are having brackets and various type of signs by following the BODMAS rules itself. So this is one of the most important question and good question for you all. After doing this, you can increase your ability in the simplification work. So just you copy down one more question I am going to discuss with you all related to this simplification work. Now one more question, this time I am going to take a very easy and simple question. This is B number simplify, this is 105 divide 35, this is 105 divide 35 of 1 by 3, 35 of 1 by 3, 105 divided by 35 of 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 and multiplied by 3 whole and 3 by 4, 3 whole and 3 by 4 here. This is the another question. You can try by yourself first, then you can see my solution to check it. It is 105 divided by 35 of 1 by 3, then there is plus 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 whole and 3 by 4. So here what I am going to do, according to the board mass, there is no brackets, so bracket is not there. Now whatever signs are given, you can understand that we have to follow the sequence of working B O D M A S, that is board mass. Here B for bracket, as bracket is not there, then off sign is there, so I have to work off for first, then the division sign is there. After off sign I will work for this division sign, then I am having multiply, M for multiply, I will do the multiplication work, then I will do the addition work, then I will do the subtraction work. So this sequence should be followed. That means if serial number you will give, then first you have to do the bracket work, then at second time you have to do the off work, then third time you have to do the division work, then fourth time you have to work for multiplication, and fifth step you have to work for addition, and at last at the sixth step you have to work for the subtraction. So this is the working sequence of the signs according to the rules of board mass. So this rule should be always followed whenever you are working in maths. Now what I am going to do, here I am going to copy 105, then divide by 35 into 1 by 3. Off means multiply sign, I have to work for this. So 35 into 1 by 3, you know that when you will multiply 35 and 1 by 3, here you will get 35 upon 3 itself. So what you will get, that you are going to get 35 upon 3. You can directly multiply 35 into 1 by 3. No number will be cancelled. When you will multiply 35 and 1 by 3, you will have 35 by 3. Plus you have to copy all the other number. I am copying 2 upon 5 and multiplied by. Here I am having a mixed fraction, so I am going to multiply 4 3 ja 12 and plus 3 15 upon 4. Now if anything is there which can be worked, you have to look at first that I have finished the work of off. After off, the third step, third position, I have to work for the division sign. So I am writing here 105 and division sign should be changed into multiplication sign, and here 35 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 35. So take care there. There is division sign and it will be changed into multiplication sign, and the further fraction will change into its reciprocal. So 35 by 3 will change upon 3 upon 35, and remaining fractions should be copied here, like 2 by 5 into 15 upon 4, you need to copy it down. Now if you can cancel here, you can cancel 35 into 3 means 105. When you will multiply 35 by 3, it will be 5 3 ja 15, 5 carry 1, 3 3 ja 9, 1 10. That means 35 into 3 is giving you 105. So you can cancel 35 1 ja 35, and 3 times you can cancel 105. Now there is one more multiplication sign is there, that work you can do. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. This side also 5 1 ja 5 and 5 3 ja 15. Further you can see that 3 into 3 becomes 9, and plus here what you are having, 3 into 3 9, and this side only 3 you are having at the numerator, and at the denominator you are having 1 into 2 means 2. Now you can add it. here LCM will be 2 itself, and here it will be 18 plus 3, that will be 21 upon 2. If you change it as a mixed fraction, it will be 10 whole and half. So 21 upon 2 means 10 whole and half. This is the answer. So like that you can simplify. This was a small revision from my side on simplification. Now I am going in decimal to show you some revision in decimals. Now in decimal, that means in chapter number 3, we have done many things. Now today I am going to show you some simplification work itself, so that you can clear your chapter. So here this is question number 2A number. The question is like this. It is written there 0.1 multiplied by 0.01, then there is a division sign and it is written like this 0.00, 0.001, and you need to simplify. Actually it is the fill in the blanks type question, or it may be the MCQ type question. So anything is there. Without solving it you cannot write the answer. To get the answer you have to solve it. So what I am going to do here, I am going to write it here into and division. That means it is clear that first of all you need to work for the division sign. So here 0.1, you know that it can be written as 1 upon 10, then into it can be written as 1 upon 100, and it can be written as 1 upon 1000. It can be written as 1 upon 1000. As you are aware that after decimal, if there is one digit, you can write 1 upon 10. And here after decimal, if there is 2 digits, then you will write 1 upon 100. That means after decimal there is 2 digits. That means you need to write 1 upon 00. And here after decimal there is 1, 2, 3 digit. That means 1 upon 30. So at first you have to change all the decimal into fraction, then you will feel easy to work. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write 1 by 10 into 1 by 100, and then the division sign will change into multiplication and it will be 1000 upon 1. Now if you can cancel 10, 10, 20, 20, then 30, 30, all are cancelled. You can see you are having 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 multiplying, then you are getting 1 at the numerator also and at the denominator also. 1 upon 1 means 1. That means it is clear that what answer you are getting by working. So what answer you are getting? You are getting 1 as your answer. So this is very, very interesting question. Okay, like that you have to work. Okay, this is A number question from division, from decimal section. Now number B, one more question I am going to show you. This time it is 4.444, 4.44 only, not 444, and divide by, it is divided by 0.44. So here and again here it is a fill in the blanks type question. That means you need to solve it, then you can write your answer. So what I am going to do, once again I am going to change the decimal as a fraction. That means I can write 444 upon 100, then divide by 44 upon 100. So what I have did, the decimal number was there 4.44. I have removed this decimal and written here 100. Division sign is there. Here 0.44 means 44 upon 100. And now easily you can solve it. What can be done here further? I can write 444 upon 100 and multiplied by 100 upon 44. That you can see division sign will be changing to multiplication sign and the number will be like that. This 100 and this 100 will be cancelled. Now you are having here which number can cancel it? 2 can cancel it, okay, or 4 can also cancel. So 4 11 times 4 can cancel it, and here 4 can cancel 1 1 1. That means here the number will be 111 upon 11. So number will be 111 upon 11. Now you have to write the answer in decimal or a fraction. If the question is from decimal, you need to change as decimal form. So how to change this number as decimal form? Here what to do? So 111 should be divided by 11. So here just you see what I am going to do. Either I can divide 111 by 11. So just divide it. 11 1 ja 11. Here you can see 11 cancel and here 1 is there. That means you need to put here a 0. Then you can take point and here you can write 0 1 0. But here the number is still very less number. That means again we need to put 1 0, then 100. 11 9 ja 99. Again 1. That means again I can put 1 0, but to take another 0 I have to write a 0 there. Then 11 9 ja 99, and this process never ends. It is going and going, and you cannot divide it properly. So it will be 10.090909, like that it will move. And if you want to write it as a mixed fraction, then your answer should be what? In decimal form. If you want to write your answer, you can write 10.0909 and dot 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 you need to give. Or if you want to write it as a fraction, then what you will do? You will be writing like that 10 whole and 1 by 11. So it will be 10 whole and 1 by 11. So here the answer can be written in both the form, either in decimal form or as a fraction form. Okay, so like this you can do it. Now one more question I am going to show. This time few more questions from decimals. Okay, so this time I am taking the question. It is written like that. It is written 0.56 and divide it by 1000. Divide it by 1000. Can you guess what answer can be written in this blank space? So here you can see that 0.56 divided by 1000. I can do it like that. I will write 0.56 upon 1000. Okay, 1 upon 30 means when you are dividing, that time decimal can be shifted right to left direction. That means you can shift your decimal right to left. In case of zeros, 1 upon zeros, the decimal can be shifted right to left in case of division, and in case of multiplication the decimal is moving left to right side. This is a simple rule of division. So here 3 zeros are there. That means 3 place up to 3 place back you have to place your decimal. First you put the decimal point and putting a 0 you can write decimal. This 0 is for the protection of your decimal. Then you have to write 3 0, 1 2 3 0, then you can write 5 6. So this will be only the answer. This will be only the answer. Here 6 5 then point after. Okay, so here After point you have to take the decimal 3 digit back. For that you have to give 3 zeros, then you need to put a decimal point, and then this 0 is to protect this decimal so that it is clearly visible over there, and you can write your answer 00056. This way directly you can find your answer. But further, if you want to do it by the long method, then once again you can see the long method how you can do it. So let us start our work by long division method. Okay, alternative way, alternative method. Okay, way of doing this question. So generally we are working like this, but if you want to do it, so you can write 0.56 upon 1 upon 000, then I can write it 56 upon 1 upon how many zeros? 5 zeros, because if you want to remove this decimal, after decimal there is 2 digits, so you have to insert 2 extra 0 at the denominator, then you can remove the decimal. Now it becomes 56 upon 1 upon 50. Now you go for the normal division. If you will go for the normal division, how to divide it? You will write here 56 and it should be divided by 1 upon how many zeros? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 0. 1 upon 5 0. So you can see that first of all I have to give a point. Then after giving point you can give only 1 0. Okay. For another 0 I have to give a 0, then you can give a, again here you can give a 0. Once again you can see that the number is lesser, so once again you need to give a 0, then one more 0 there, then one more 0 there. So like that it is coming. Now you can divide it by 5. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It is 5,60,000 and it is 1 lakh. So now 5 times you can divide it. So it will be written as 55 upon 50. Okay. Then this number is coming 6 upon 4 zeros. Now after point 1 0 you can take. So 6 times you can divide it. So 6 upon, it is like this. You can write the number like that. So your answer is coming 0.00056, which answer you have got already by the shortcut method also. So either you can do this question by the long division method, but it is very convenient to do by the shortcut method. So shortcut method is always useful because it takes very less time in doing sums. So I hope that you are revising for exam. Take care. Thank you for today.